how to turn on dark mode on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Tap the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. From here, open the setting option. Now select chats. Then tap onto the theme option. Here, the WhatsApp will follow your system theme automatically if you set it to system default, or you can also select the dark theme. Now tap OK to add the dark theme. The benefits of adding dark theme is to reduce eye strain at night, save batteries on OLED screen, gives a sleek modern look to WhatsApp. And that's how you turn on WhatsApp dark mode in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.